Hey guys, welcome to LZH project. My name is Salman Francis and this is our second video of our Solaris edition. And in this video, we are going to talk about some basic networking in Solaris. So let's start. So in this session, we will take a look at Solaris networking techniques. And in this video, we will talk about DHCP and static IP assigning. So first, let me take you to our Solaris box. Okay, we have here our Solaris box, and you can see that we can easily ping our gateway. We can easily ping our Google DNS and any external IP. But sometimes it's give you problem with pinging, for example, the names. Okay, and the solution is to first assign this Solaris box as a DHCP, and then you can easily delete it. The main idea is to delete the current IP scheme and reassign IP via DHCP or static. So let me walk you guys step by step how to do that. So let me go back to our presentation. So first thing is we need to see how to check the physical Ethernet, and that is with the command DLADM. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, first let me switch to as a user root. Okay, the command is dladmin or DLADM. Okay, and show that PHYS. So this means show me the physical interfaces. So as you can see, it's showing you that the link is net 0, media is Ethernet, state is up at the moment, and the speed and the duplex and the device also it's E1000G0. Okay, good enough. Now next command is to show the link. That's the same way like dladmin show link command. And the main idea behind this is to see the MTU or this link, because you can see that net 0 is there, class is PHYS, physical, state is up, and MTU stands for maximal transmit unit. So that's 1500. Okay, good. Now let's move to our next slide, and here we can see how to set IP address. First thing, we are going to create the IP address with the command IPADM. This time it's IPadmin, you can say IPADM create IP address. Then first thing, it's going to prepare for the interface. Then we are going to assign it with DHCP. Okay, so let's check right at the moment what is currently available. IPADM, and you can see at the moment it has static IP. It's 192.168.1.30, and what I'm going to do is I am going to remove it. So to delete it, first I'm not going to assign it. Like I can get the same like at the same time I can get IP via DHCP and static, but I don't want to do that. So IPADM, okay, so where the command is create, to delete it, we are going to just delete, use delete command, DELETE, delete IP. Okay, from where? From net 0. Let's check if it works. IPADM, and perfect, it worked. So now you can see that we are clean. We cannot ping any of the IP right now because the IP is deleted and it's gone. Let's clear the screen. Okay, now first thing what we need to do before we start this DHCP, we are going to use IPadmin command, and this time we are going to create IP. And if you remember from that link, we know that the Ethernet is net 0. If you are not sure about that, you can always check with DLADM, and here you can see the link is net 0, and that's your physical interface. Okay, so now let's go back. IPADM create -IP for net 0. Okay, now let's check if IPADM is okay. You can see that net 0 is now available, but you can see it's down. Okay, so what we are going to do is this time we are going to assign it an IP address, but since it's a DHCP, we are going to use the command as per the slide. So let me show you that. This is the command we are going to use. IPADM create address -T means the type, T DHCP, and where we are going to use it on net 0. So let's do that. IPADM, very simple, create ADDR -T and net 0 and DHCP. So that's how we are going to use it. You can mention it with /DHCP, but this will also work. So press enter, and it's trying to get its IP address. Okay, let's clear the screen. IPADM shows that it has successfully, you can see here, 192.168.1.131 is the new IP address. It has successfully taken its IP address via DHCP. Okay, can we ping our gateway 168.1.1? Okay, perfect. Let's check if the route of our machine, netstat-r, and you can see that the default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Okay, that's fine. And IP address is 192.168.1.131. Okay, clear. Can we ping external IPs? Yes, we can. Now, can we ping Google? Yes, we can. Can we ping Yahoo? Yes, we can. We can ping everything. Can we ping our website at pings.com? Perfect. So this is how you can easily assign IP address to your Solaris machine via DHCP. Okay, what's next? Okay, you can also check IP address details with IPADM command. Yes, you can. Okay, so here is one more command. IPAdmin, the show IF is for interface. It's just to check if your interface state is up and what kind of state interface is available. So let's take a look at that. IPAdmin show if, and you can see we have loopback interface and net 0 interface, which is our Ethernet. Okay. More commands to check. IPAdmin show address will give you the address, okay, and it will also tell you what kind of it's also going to show you if it's available, like DHCP is available or not. So IPADM show ADDR, and you can see that the type, it's showing you that the type is DHCP. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we are going to delete again this IP because we need to use our next scenario where we are going to use static IP, where we are going to assign our Solaris machine with the static IP. So first we are going to delete the IP address again with IPADM delete -IP net 0. Okay. So let's do that. IPADM delete IP and net 0. IPADM, and you can see that everything is gone again. IPADM show -if will reveal that only loopback is now available. Okay, now to assign it static, the system is same. All we need to do is just change the type from DHCP to static and then mention the IP address also. For example, IPADM. First we are going to create IP for net 0. That is the first thing. This time if we check the interface, we can see now the interface is available, but the state is down. Okay, now we are going to use the command. Let me show you the command. IPAdmin or IPADM create dash ADR dash type is static. Same thing net 0, and then the dash A is for address. So the command is IPADM create dash ADDR. First we created IP, now we are creating the address of type static. That is important. Where we are going to create it? On net 0. What is the address? We are going to give it address, let's say 1.131. And this time you can see that the state is up and it's active, clear. IPADM only will reveal that everything is okay. Can we ping 4.2.2.2? Yes, we can. Can we ping Google? Perfect. Can we ping itpings.com? Yes, we can. So that's how you can easily give your Solaris box IP via DHCP or via static means.